Hello there, I'm Jameson. Welcome to Learn STEM with Jameson. So on this channel, we are going to dive deep into STEM and STEAM. So when we talk about STEM and when we talk about STEAM, what is the difference and what comes in mind when you hear STEM or when you hear STEAM? So here we are going to look at the differences between them. You also talk about emerging technologies. You talk about IoT, Internet of Things. We talk about artificial intelligence. We also talk about robotics as a whole. And moreover, you also look into NI, so what I call it, natural intelligence. Yeah. So basically, in order to do all these things, you have to know about NI, as in the natural intelligence, because you cannot do all these things without building upon your natural intelligence. So the natural intelligence is what we will use to dive deep into this. We are going to do all this together as a blend learning. So there will be a time we will talk more about science, we talk more about technology, talk more about engineering, arts, and also mathematics. And alongside, you also do IoT. So basically, we are going to learn something about the universe. So you learn a whole lot of things on this channel. So in order for you not to miss anything that we're going to learn here, so just click on the subscribe button. Let's get started. Let me say that, yeah, because I'm happy seeing you here. Thank you.